let's talk foundations. Our foundations are the absolute best. I can tell you that I have tried many foundations, and these are by far my favorite. There are 3 different ones that are my favorite. We also have a cream foundation, which is for extremely dry skin. So if you fight flakiness or anything like that, the cream foundation would be for you. And the cream foundation runs in the same shades that our powder foundation does and our liquid foundation. So our liquid foundation you may be familiar with. This is the foundation that went viral. When this came out for an entire year, we had trouble keeping it in stock because it is so amazing. If you love a liquid finish, if you love a dewy finish, if you love a medium coverage, you're going to love the liquid foundation. If you use it with the Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer, you're going to get a full coverage. The way that the liquid foundation goes on, I'm going to be using the foundation brush, and you're going to empty out your dropper first. Empty out your dropper and shake your product well. Now I've already done that, but I'm going to fill that back up, and I'm going to take 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4 on my brush, and that is going to be enough for my entire face. I'm going to tap that around and then begin swirling. The more that you swirl, the more flawless the finish is going to become. This brush is amazing. I feel that it is a perfect companion to the liquid foundation because it does not let the foundation drip down into the brush. The foundation is not going to run into the brush. It stays on the surface of the brush where you want it, which is why you have to use so little with this brush, because it is going to stay on the outer ring of the brush, and you just swirl. The more that you swirl, the more flawless the finish becomes. It's kind of like buffing a car. But you can see it gives an amazing coverage. Some people call this a full coverage, but I call it a medium coverage because I can still see freckles and imperfections. And like I said, you can add a drop of the Skin Perfecting Concealer to this, and it's gonna make it a full coverage. So that is the Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation.